Hi everybody. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for people to come onto this live. And hi Deepak, hi Asma, hi everybody who's joined this live. Wow, I can see the numbers increasing. Hey guys. Alright, so we have somebody. आज हमारे पास बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट है. It's again one more person from the cast of Metro Park 2. I hope आप लोगों ने देखा है Metro Park 2 और सबको अच्छा लगा है. If you haven't watched it, then now is your chance. This Metro Park season 2 has come after season 1. बहुत ही प्यारा सा loved show है. आप अपने पूरे फैमिली के साथ देख सकते हो. और आज हमारे पास एक बहुत ही प्यारा कैरेक्टर ऑफ मेट्रो पार्क आ रहा है नेम्ड बिट्टू. हिज रियल नेम इज पिटोबाश एंड वी आर गोइंग टू गेट हिम ऑन द लाइव विद अस. ओके, सो लेट्स जस्ट सी वेदर ही सेंट अस अ रिक्वेस्ट और वील ट्राई एंड ऐड हिम टू आवर लाइव. ऑलराइट. Hi Tejas Pawar, hi Sahajan, hi everyone. Let me just quickly try and add our guest to the live today. Here you go. All right. Hi Rehan, hi Idrish and everyone. Wow, so many requests for the live. Peter, if you're watching this, I did see you. Yes, here you are. Hi.
Hi,
How
how are
are
you?
you? Very good, very good. How are things with you? Are you in Indonesia?
Yeah, I am stuck in this little island called Batam for last three and a
Wow.
half months now. Yeah, COVID time, you know.
COVID
We're
time, लेकिन
shooting in a, yeah, we're shooting in a bubble. So yeah, from 3.5 months we are stuck in one resort.
oh really? So you're living the dream life. मतलब लोगों को हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि हॉलीडे पे स्टक हो जाए और एक ही बार मतलब बाली सॉरी इंडोनेशिया में स्टक होना इज प्रीटी कूल, नो?
I mean, like, I'll tell you a very interesting thing. The other day, my mom called me and like, oh, how is Indonesia? I said, like, I don't know how is Indonesia, but I know my resort is good. So that's what it means. Like for us, stuck in this one little hotel and shoot and come back, shoot and come back. That's it.
Oh,
So
wow. Oh, so
I
you've
mean,
not
like
even like really seen Indonesia or Bali or like it's not a
yeah,
holiday at all.
it's not a holiday at all because there's protocol. You have to live in the bubble till the time you finish because
Yes.
and especially right now there is no foreigner right now in Indonesia. The only people outsiders who are there is like our unit. So we have to really be follow
Follow
protocols
the
and all.
protocol and be very
Yeah,
careful and be very this conscious of
absolutely.
everything. All right, so tell us, Metro Park season 2 has released. Have you watched the full show?
मतलब एक्चुअली मुझे पूरा देखने को अभी मौका नहीं मिला है बिकॉज आई एम शूटिंग फ्रॉम लास्ट 10-15 days नाइट शूट्स सो
अच्छा.
होल डे यू स्लीप एंड शूटिंग नाइट बट मैंने 2 एपिसोड देखी है अभी तक तो
हाँ.
पहला 2 एपिसोड बट आई एम गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ मैसेजेस and
I
people
love that,
loving it.
right?
People have
Yeah.
started requesting, oh, when is the season 3 coming? I said, like, come on guys, it's just 3-4 days before the season 2 came out. So
But that's
so
amazing,
it's
isn't it?
yeah, absolutely, and like, you feel so happy like April में हम लोग shoot करने वाले थे, then the whole pandemic happened, so we did this small little quarantine edition which people loved it.
Hmm.
So
हाँ.
now people are liking the season 2 so much, so it's like it's a great feeling.
वाह. और तो आपको टेल मी वन थिंग, आपको हमेशा से एक्टर बनना था या ऐसा इट हैपेंड अलोंग द वे, कैसा हुआ?
I always wanted to be an actor. So like it's not like suddenly I moved from something to something else.
हाँ.
I always wanted to be an actor. But like in my school, I used to do stage plays, even like music competition, dance, everything related to performing art. I used to participate, and I
हाँ.
always wanted to be an actor. And I knew that after graduation, I tried to join to National School of Drama or Pune Film Institute to train myself properly, and then move to Bombay. And that is what happened. I finished my engineering in Calcutta. And fortunately, after finishing my BTech, first chance I cracked Pune Film Institute. So I studied in Film and Television Institute of India. then moved to
Okay.
Bombay. That's how it happened.
Okay, wow, that's lovely. So tell us a little bit about your character Bittu. Like, did you always know, like, how was you approached for Bittu in season one and now the progression, the character progression that has happened?
See, matlab, if you actually see Bittu is first he is a hustler. Second, he
Correct.
is a very honest guy and is very hardworking. एंड बिट्टू जो कैरेक्टर है हम सबने, मुझे लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं जो, जैसे मैं भुवनेश्वर से हूँ, राइट,
हाँ,
एंड अ कंट्री लाइक इंडिया इतना बड़ा है, तो हम लोग बहुत अपने ड्रीम्स और अपने स्टडी की वजह से, या हम कुछ अचीव करना चाहते हैं, because of
correct.
that reason what we do is always move to different bigger cities. Like after my 12th I moved to Calcutta for my BTech, then moved to Pune to study in the film institute, and now in Bombay, Mumbai. So
Correct.
basically kya hai ki for us it's always a fish out of water situation, right?
Correct.
So Bitu is like that. Like, he's came from India and moved to a completely different country, different culture, different language altogether. And he's hustling and he's a hardworking, honest guy. But
हाँ,
at the same time, he's a guy who is like a fish out of water situation.
correct.
तो हम सबने वो चीजें कहीं ना कहीं महसूस किया है. Like imagine, like I suddenly moved to Calcutta and it's a different language, everybody is new, so it's like you have to adapt the situation and you have to hustle.
Absolutely. Yeah,
तो
yeah.
पहला सीजन में अप्रोच तो वही था कि like I try to incorporate the memories of me in a situation like where like you suddenly move to a completely different place. And of
Correct.
course it's like from Bhubaneswar to Calcutta, or from India to America, it's a little bigger extension, but the situation is kind of same. And
Uh-huh.
for second season we actually shot after 2 years. So
Yeah.
first
It's been a
for
huge
me,
gap. Yes.
yeah, for me it was first time like to revisit the same role. So to start with, I started watching the first season twice to to get into
Try and
it.
get the, yeah. Get
And
back into the
then,
character.
yeah, so that is what my that's how I started preparing for the second season. But then when you landed with the same cast, same crew, and the beautiful writing of Ajay, then
Yeah.
half your work is done.
Correct. So tell me a little bit about, how much do you relate as a person? Do you see yourself every time you do Bittu, or like when you're playing the character Bittu, or sometimes there are like some very funny moments that you're like, "Arey, ye to bilkul, it has happened to me also."
I mean, see, maybe the dialogues, the situation is different, but
Yeah.
uh, in a different situation, we all that's what I said. Like we all face the similar kind of situation,
Correct.
and the best part is like in this show, we are not laughing at people, we are
Yes.
laughing with them, and
Yes.
sometimes we relate and we connect. So that's why it's not, for me it's humorous, but it's not a comedy, it's a slice of life.
Correct. It's
And that's
just how
why
it
people
is.
connect. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, like, even if you are living in India, you still connect, like, oh my God, okay, uh, this is funny, but this can be relatable,
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. 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 How was it working with the rest of the cast of Metro Park too?
Oh, this is like a little cute family. I mean, like,
Yeah.
and into that cute family, like, see, Ranbir, Omi, Purvi, we are old friends. Like, I mean, like, Ranbir, Omi, I know them before doing Metro Park. We are friends. So
Mm.
that is also, I think, one of the most important thing why this chemistry is so organic and natural, because
Yes.
we know each other. So it is, there is a ease. And then
Yes.
when you already shot season one, uh,
Correct.
so you know it. Okay. So like, okay, this is how it's gonna go. Let's play it out. So it was
Yeah.
absolutely fun. And at the end of the day, then, Milinji and Gopal.
Yeah.
Gopal is also an
Gopal.
old friend. I mean, like, though I never, I mean, like, I know Milind Suman, who he is. Like, of course, like
Yeah.
I grown up watching him. Is
Made
like,
in India.
yeah, made in India. So of course,
Who hasn't watched?
yeah. So, but I didn't know him personally, but it was amazing working with both of them as well. So it's it's fun. I mean,
Wow, that's really nice.
like the audience is already expecting and asking for season two, season three. So, matlab,
Simply,
I'm also excited to go back to Metro Park set again.
and do these things again. What do you think the role of Bittu will be in season three? So in season one, he was shooting commercials. In season two, he's become an ashik. What do you think will happen in season three to Bittu?
No, why I'm thinking of, like, imagine B2, he don't drinks. He is such an honest guy, cute,
Yeah.
hardworking person, and waiting for, you saw his romantic side in the second season. Just imagine bizarre of the bizarre, like, okay, Metro Park. I mean, like, just imagine, like, Metro Park season two or season one.
Huh.
You see, okay, what is the comedy? The comedy is there is this Indian people, like, I personally feel one community who, like, okay, a German moved to America, like, after 20 years he become American.
Correct.
This is the only trait of Indians. They, after 5 generation, if they moved somewhere, they will be in between. I mean, like,
Yes.
they're still Indians. So in the
There's still
Metro
a
Park, you
small
see,
part of them. Yeah.
yeah, so in the Metro Park, you see, there is this bizarre combination of, they are trying to be live the American way of life, but they are still Indian.
Yeah.
But just imagine Bittu fall in love with some Mexican or somebody. So
Yeah.
just imagine the kind of bizarreness it'll happen. Is like, okay, this guy who is, like, trying to be still understand the American way of living, but still heart his heart is Indian,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
suddenly there is a bizarre relation happens, like, so that can be
Yeah.
more funny.
I think so. I think it would be a great idea. We should definitely pitch this concept of a Mexican girlfriend for maybe an Indonesian girlfriend for
Oh
Bittu.
yeah, why not? No, that is the whole bizarre thing. Is like, the whole point of is, like, how multicultural our country is, and at the end of the day, wherever we go, we still root our heart, and our soul is still rooted to Indian culture. And
India, always. Yeah.
yeah, and especially in Metro Park, it's not only about, like, okay, it's not Indian culture clashing between American way of living. It's like there is
Yeah.
a South Indian family, there is
Yes.
Gujarati, the B2 is coming from Hindi belt, like North Indian guy. So it's a bizarre mixture of everything, and at this, same time, they're trying to balance and cope up with it. So,
Correct.
so
And
that's
now,
kind of,
you guys were shooting in a bubble. Purvi was telling us that you guys
yeah.
were shooting in a bubble through the entire Metro Park season two bit. Was that your first shoot in a bubble and in that environment?
Uh, Before that, I just finished. I shot a film in India. That was
Okay.
my this was my second. Metro Park was my second in the bubble. But yeah, I mean, like, before the film I shot, that was like, we're still figuring out how it happened.
How?
But in Metro Park, all the rules and regulations, were figured it out. Like, there are a doctor team on set. You have to do
Hmm.
a PCR test every
Hmm.
time. I
Hmm.
mean, like, you are, like, you can say it like, it's a luxurious gel. That's how
Yeah,
you
it
shoot.
is. It's
Like, when
amazing.
you're
Yes.
shooting in a bubble, yeah, it's a glorified version of jail. Like, you cannot go to anywhere, you cannot meet
But
anybody outside.
true.
Like, the whole time,
Yeah.
so. But that kind of, I mean, like I say, like, the kind of, it's also, I personally feel enhanced the your show's quality, because the whole unit, you are together. So for
All
that
the
whole
time. Yeah.
period, so the whole period, it is like it's a small family. I mean, like,
Yes.
so it's fun.
That's
It
sort of
it
what
was
Purvi was
difficult, but
telling
it's
us as
fun.
well. Yeah. That you all became so close to each other and you all became like this really
Yeah,
close knit family together, and it was so nice, and
absolutely.
togetherness was amazing. Yeah. All right. So tell
Yeah,
us like
absolutely.
one
I
of
mean,
your
like,
best.
and what I'm saying, like, it's like, generally, when you shoot, uh, after shoot, you go to your home, you go to your
Yeah.
apartment or hotel, everybody goes to their place. So it's like, you just, it's like coming to a job.
Yeah.
But when you're shooting in a bubble, like okay, you all staying together, you know,
Yes,
like whether
absolutely.
everybody, every department,
Yeah.
everybody you stay together. So it's like a
Yeah.
it's a closer bond, and it always shows in
Absolutely. Yeah.
your shooting.
Yeah. So tell us one dialogue of yours that has really, one dialogue of Bittu's, if you remember, that you particularly really like.
Oh, I like in the season 2 we shot this sequence of like Bitu is trying to make this zombie movie. Like he wanted
Correct.
to be he wanted to be a filmmaker, right? So I mean, like a lot of people also send in messages like they loved it, like in that when
In fact,
where
I
he
have
said
quite a few comments there about the zombie
yeah
scene.
yeah in that yeah people loved the zombie scene and in that like बिट्टू का एक डायलॉग है कि वो बोलते हैं कि अरे फ्री में मैंने सुना है कि वीडियो में लाइक आप एडिट पे सिक्स पैक लगा सकते हो तो बिट्टू टेल्स हिम लाइक मतलब एक्टिंग में कोई ध्यान नहीं दो सबको फ्री में सिक्स पैक चाहिए so that's kind of people loved it like I'm getting so many comments
So
about
many
the
comments on that
and
one scene.
yeah and people love that scene that zombie
Yeah.
scene.
All right. All right. So, Peter, we are going to play one fun game with you, okay?
Just give me 1 second.
Sure.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah. So, we're going to play one fun
Sorry.
game with you. I'm sure you've heard
Hello?
Never Have I Ever. Can you hear me? Oh, no. I think your screen has frozen. Yeah. Can you hear me
Your
now?
video was yeah, I can hear you
Oh,
now. No,
okay.
yeah, I can hear you now. It was frozen.
All right. So, we play this
Yeah,
fun
tell
game
me.
called Never Have I Ever. I'm sure you know of Never Have I Ever.
What is that? Some new thing?
Okay, so I will tell you. So you have to tell me the truth about whether you have done it, whether you have or you have never done it. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So
Okay.
never have I ever grabbed the wrong person's hand by mistake.
I've done it.
You- what
I've done
happened?
it. Yeah, I've done it. Like it's not once. I have actually done 2-3 times.
Oh, so what happened then when you took the wrong person's hand?
It's an awkward moment, I was like, okay, oh, sorry, I thought you were somebody else,
Okay. All right. Never have I ever used a fake ID.
No,
No, you have
never.
not. Okay. Never have I ever wanted to be in a reality show.
Nah, no.
No, so if you get a chance to be on,
Because
say, a
I
Big
personally
Boss,
think
no.
no, because I don't know. I personally feel any reality show, at
Huh,
the end of the day, it's like, see, when you are shooting something, it's at the end of the day, how real you wanted to tell, it's fiction.
correct. That's true.
It's fiction.
Yeah.
So if I mean like I will always get more satisfaction when I'm doing a fiction like Metro Park or any show or anywhere I can put my creative inputs rather than like be in a reality show and acted like okay I am performing but I will perform like I'm not performing.
Like you're not performing. Correct. Okay.
Yeah,
Never have I ever lied about my age.
never,
Never. Okay.
never.
Never have I ever crashed a wedding where I was not
Yeah,
invited.
yes, I did.
Oh, you
Yeah,
have.
yeah, lot of them. Like I'll tell
Oh.
you. Yeah. So basically, when I'm from Bhubaneswar, and
Huh.
when I was in 11th, 12th, so
Huh.
we used to go to this coaching class for preparation of engineering. Like
Huh.
like after 12th, you sit for the engineering entrance,
Yes.
right?
Huh.
So for that,
Huh.
I used to go to coaching, and we have friends. We used to go there, and it was always 6 to 9, like evening, 6 to 9. एंड देयर इज दिस वो शादी का मंडप होते हैं ना
हाँ.
तो एक
वो
बड़ा सा
बाजू में.
मंडप उस कोचिंग सेंटर के बाजू में रहता था
हाँ.
तो वो जो शादी के 2-3 महीने के जो सीजन्स में हमारे जो 4-5-6 दोस्त थे हम लोग आफ्टर आवर कोचिंग क्लास फिनिश we every day go there like that's why I say like I've done like not once
अच्छा, not one or two,
every
रोज जाते थे.
हाँ मतलब वहां खत्म हुआ रोज जाते थे खाना पीना खाते थे फिर घर निकलते थे
तो शादी का सीजन में तो आप लोगों का डिनर फिक्स था.
डिनर फिक्स है, और घर में जाके बहाने लगाना, नहीं नहीं नहीं, आज भूख नहीं लग रहा है, वो बाहर दोस्तों के साथ खा लिया था. सो इट और sometime you have to actually, कितना दिन, रोज तो नहीं बोल सकते बाहर खा के आया हूँ, तो
हाँ,
तुम्हें
हाँ.
भूख नहीं है, पूरा पूरा खाए हुए हो, हाँ के दे दो, देख के उसको
हाँ,
फेंक दो.
किसी ने आपको पकड़ा नहीं? आप ये रोज करते थे तो कभी पकड़े नहीं गए?
यार हम लोग पता नहीं पकड़े नहीं गए हैं कभी, क्योंकि हम लोग
वाह.
वहां पे दोस्त शादी के सीजन में रोज जाते थे हम लोग, आफ्टर आवर लाइक कोचिंग क्लास फिनिश, मतलब वहां पे अगर शादी दिख रहा है, ओके लेट्स गो,
प्लान सेट.
या प्लान सेट.
और तो आप लोग सब ऐसे ड्रेसअप वेसअप करके जाते थे या जैसे आप लोग कोचिंग क्लास में जाते थे वैसे ही?
नहीं नहीं, हम लोगों को पता है कि कोचिंग क्लास में शाम आफ्टर फिनिश कोचिंग क्लास हम लोग को उधर खाना खाने जाना है, तो शर्ट वर्ट बढ़िया पहन के जाते थे कोचिंग क्लास, ताकि
Very nice, very nice. Okay. Never have I ever found a script that I picked boring afterwards.
yeah, I picked couple of them, yeah.
Yeah,
Because
and then you just regretted
you'll
it.
be surprised. I am working from around 2008-9 in Mumbai.
हाँ, हाँ.
Um, every script came to me. It's still there in my shelf. Every script.
Wow.
There
Okay.
are so many scripts which I denied. मैंने किया नहीं है, और बहुत सारे स्क्रिप्ट है जो मैंने जो मेरे जो फिल्म्स है, जो भी है, वो सारे स्क्रिप्ट मेरे पास है, अभी भी रखे हुए हैं. तो मैं कभी कभी वो मतलब क्या है कि जो फिल्में आपने ऑलरेडी किया हुआ है, तो वो फिल्म देखे भी हुए किया हुआ है, तो यू डोंट वांट टू रीड दैट. So I've like a lot of I've gone through like couple of scripts sometimes, especially in lockdown also. मैं अरे ये स्क्रिप्ट थोड़ा पढ़ते हैं बहुत टाइम से,
हाँ, हाँ.
you go through it. So I've gone great.
आप बोल रहे हो कि आप भुवनेश्वर के हो, तो आप हम लोग को बताइए कि भुवनेश्वर का यू मस्ट बी मिसिंग योर होम सो मच राइट नाउ, और अभी तो आपको
Yeah.
इंडिया की बहुत याद आती होगी. यू मस्ट बी वांटिंग टू गो बैक. व्हाट इज द वन थिंग जो आप सबसे ज्यादा मिस करते हो भुवनेश्वर के बारे में?
Street food. Like
Street food.
you ask any Odia and any Bengali. I
हाँ.
personally think in the whole country, the best
हाँ.
street food is Bengal and Odisha. Like,
अच्छा.
oh my God, that वहाँ के चाट, वहाँ के पुचका, जो पानी पूरी वहाँ के,
हाँ.
जो सारे स्ट्रीट फूड्स है वहाँ के, I really
हाँ.
miss them. I really miss them. That is what I
That
miss
is
the
the one
most.
thing you miss the most. हाँ.
और मेरे साथ क्या हुआ कि मैं आफ्टर 12th आई स्टडीड माय लाइक माय इंजीनियरिंग, माय बीटेक इन कलकत्ता. सो कलकत्ता में भी कोलकाता का स्ट्रीट फूड भी बहुत अमेजिंग है, तो वो 4
Amazing है,
साल में
correct.
मैंने वो मिस नहीं किया भुवनेश्वर का स्ट्रीट फूड. बट वंस आई मूव्ड फ्रॉम द ईस्टर्न पार्ट लाइक द बंगाल ओडिशा का जो अपना ईस्टर्न साइड ऑफ इंडिया, दैट इज द मोस्ट
One thing that you miss the
वन थिंग
most.
आई मिस.
तो अगर हमारे जो ऑडियंस है वो लोग को भुवनेश्वर जाना है, एंड इफ देयर इज अ वन थिंग, एक डिश अगर ट्राई करना हो तो क्या ट्राई करेंगे?
भुवनेश्वर का चाट ट्राई करना चाहिए. लाइक क्या है ना, सब जो बेसिक मेन सर्कल्स होते हैं जहाँ पे वहां पे क्या है, वो चाट का उनका ठेला होता है, मतलब इट्स अ
हाँ,
बिग
हाँ.
स्टॉल, एंड oh my God, that's amazing.
Very cool. All right, I have already taken up so much of your time.
And also one more thing that is called हम लोग ओडिया में उसको बोलते हैं दही वड़ा आलूदम. लाइक दही की वड़ा है, दही वड़ा यहाँ पे जो हम लोग खाते हैं उसमें थिक दही रहता है और बड़े वड़ा होते हैं. वहां पे बहुत छोटे छोटे वड़ा बनते हैं, और वो जो दही है इट इज लाइक वाटर, एंड उसके साथ उन्होंने उसके मसाले और चाट बना के डाल के देते हैं. दैट इज ऑल्सो
अरे sounds really good. I think you are तो going to miss food a lot today, क्योंकि आपने इतना describe किया है.
I'm a foodie. I love food.
ऐसा तो लग ही रहा है. और आप इतना डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हो कि मुझे ही जाना है भुवनेश्वर एक बार ये सब ट्राई करने के लिए.
नो, आप जब भी जा रहे हो ये दोनों चीज तो पक्का ट्राई करो.
Definitely, guaranteed we will try it. Also, please tell all our viewers ki definitely please watch Metro Park season 2. It is live on Eros now. You guys should watch it.
Absolutely.
And I think,
I mean, like, yeah, say me. Tell me.
Sorry, no, I was just saying that please go ahead, tell us.
Yeah, what I'm saying is like I got so much of love from people after watching season 1 and the quarantine edition. और इतना रिक्वेस्ट भी लोगों के आ रहे थे कि कब मेट्रो पार्क सीजन 2 आ रहा है एंड नाउ जिन्होंने ऑलरेडी देख लिया है सीजन 2 आई एम गेटिंग सो मच ऑफ लव फ्रॉम देम सो मच सो मेनी कमेंट्स दैट when the season 3 coming in, so I'll request everybody to this season 2 of Metro Park is already streaming on Eros now, so please watch. और उसके बाद मेरे ट्विटर अकाउंट पे या मेरे फेसबुक पेज पे या मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे प्लीज आपको कैसा लगा कमेंट करिए प्लीज, और मेरे साथ शेयर करिए कि आपको कितना अच्छा लगा. एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि सीजन 2 इज ऑलरेडी स्ट्रीमिंग. प्लीज वॉच.
Please watch. It is live on erosnow.com. You can also watch it on Apple TV. It's available across countries. You can watch it in Indonesia for everybody who is here. If you want,
absolutely.
also take a look at some of the comments that are there.
Sure.
There is somebody here who's saying that they loved your role, especially the zombie scene was your favorite. Was their
Thank
favorite.
you so much. Thank you so much.
That zombie wala episode was hilarious, sir. KPS 5535.
KPS 5535. Thank you so much. आपको इतना अच्छा लगा.
And Roy Abhi _100 is asking about your best scene in season 2 of Metro Park.
थैंक यू रोया, बट आपको कौन सा बेस्ट लगा आप बता सकते हो. मैं तो मतलब मुझे तो सारे सीन्स अच्छे लगते हैं. थैंक यू.
All right. Who was your favorite person to shoot with in Metro Park season 2?
Everybody. मतलब ओमी हो, पूर्वी हो या रणबीर हो, मतलब we are like a cute Metro Park family, and I think this family will be working together in Metro Park in several seasons. So they are amazing.
Lovely.
All of them.
All right. Suraj is asking you if we can see you in any other upcoming series as well.
मैं अभी 2-3 स्क्रिप्ट सीरीज के पढ़ रहा हूँ, बट आई थिंक आई विल डू वन ऑफ देम. सो सूरज, अभी उसका जब ऑफिशियल अनाउंसमेंट होगा तो आपको जरूर पता चलेगा.
All right, great. Somebody say कि they did not know you were a BTech student and they love to hear that.
Oh, thank you so much. मतलब हाँ, वो तो मतलब ग्रेजुएशन करना था after
fellow engineering.
Yeah, thank you.
Saurabh Ghosh is saying, looking good, sir. Can't wait to see you on Metro Parks. I haven't watched Metro Parks season 2. Can't wait to watch it.
ये सौरभ घोष मेरा इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज का बैचमेट है एंड मेरा बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है. So hi सौरभ घोष.
And I am Karan Joshi also. I am Karan Joshi.
Okay, hi Karan Joshi. Thank you so much.
So many people are saying Peter is the best. Fami, Dot, Agelan are all insisting that Peter is the best.
Hey Fami, how is the shoot going on? Fami is from our Indonesian team.
Oh, that's really nice. How sweet. All right. Okay. Thank you so much for your time. I have reached by 5:30 as promised. I have given my half an hour thing. Thank you so much for your time and for spending time with us today.
No, thank you so much. It is always a pleasure to talk to fans, and like especially Metro Park show is very special to my heart because it's both way. I love working with everybody in Metro Park season, and also I love every character, and also it's heartwarming for me the way people love the show. So it is very special, and it is the pleasure is always mine when I'm talking to you about Metro Park and interacting with my fans. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Bye.
Bye.
All right, thank you everybody for joining in. For everybody who who wants to watch Metro Park season 2, please go on to erosnow.com, or you can check our stories and you can just swipe up and watch the show. You can watch Metro Park season 1 first, and it's a full family show. बहुत मजा आएगा. Please watch it. It is really, really nice to chat with you all as always. And we're coming back with another live really, really soon. So please उसके लिए भी आ जाना. This is Natasha signing out. And until next time, bye.